Hey guys, it's the Simple Student here and welcome to part 3 of Java for Beginners. In the last episode we wrote this program, okay? So it was a very basic program. We wrote some statements out and we printed them down here. In this episode we're going to learn about variables. So remember in school whenever we seen something like this, minus x equals 7, and then we were able to work out that x equals 3. So in this, x was basically a placeholder, and this is exactly what variables are in C. Okay? So there are some different variable types. Like we have integers, like 1, 2, 3. We have doubles, like 2.6, 5.8. And we have strings, like welcome. Okay, so in the last episode we were printing strings out to the user. Okay, so we weren't using variables, but we were using a type of variable called string. So how do we use these variables in Java programming? So I'll just get rid of this, and first thing we have to do is tell the program what type of variable we're using. So for example, for an integer, we're going to say int. And then we're going to give the variable a name. So for example, x. So this is called declaring the variable. Okay? We're just declaring it. We're telling the program that it's there. But now we have to give it a value. To give it a value, we use the assignment operator, which is the equal sign. It's going to go x equals 3, okay, another semicolon. Okay, so for a double then, we use double, we'll just give it the name y, and again we'll just say y equals 6.2, okay, and for a string, we're just going to use string, and we'll give it z, okay. Okay, and we'll give z the value, we'll just say welcome again. Okay, and semicolon. Okay, so now we can use what we learned the last time to actually print these variables out to the user. So we can do system.out.println the same way as the last time, open brackets, and we can actually just put x in here. We don't need the quotation marks this time because we're not printing out exactly inside the quotation marks, we're printing a variable. Okay, so system.out.println x. Okay, so we're just going to see what comes up. Okay, so remember the last time we had this here, println, and then we had some prints here. So they're all printing, and after them is x, which is 3. So what we should have actually done is put println here, just so it's in a new line. Okay, so 3. Okay, and now we'll try the same. With y. Okay, so now we've got x printing here and y printing here. What we can actually do is introduce some logic into this. So we can make a new variable. We can call it int a equals x plus x. Okay? So because we've declared a variable x up here and we've given it a value of 3, we can make a new integer and use previous variables to give this a value. And by the way, we can declare it and give it a value all in the same line like this, instead of just going int a and then in the next line saying a equals x plus x. It just saves a lot of time and makes it a bit tidier, so I'd prefer to do it all in the one line like this. Okay? And now we can system dot out dot print ln, and we can go a, and don't forget your semicolon. Okay, just compile and run this, and now we've got 3, which was the x up here, 6.2, which was the y, and now we've got a, which was x plus x, which is 6. Okay, so there are just some easy things we can do with variables. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see our new videos that we upload daily. This has been The Simple Student. Thanks for watching.